Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Tech. On this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to participate on campaign going on MetaMask. So once you download the app, click on reward, you're going to get the points of 250 points by using the referral link, referral code, and also click on the claim button. Alright, so this is MetaMask update. Earn points for every of your activities and advance through levels to unlock reward. The higher your points, the higher the points and the reward you're going to get. Alright. Any point on every trade, every swap and every trade you make on MetaMask gets you closer to reward and add your account and watch your points added up. Okay, click on next. Once you click on next, you will see other points and say level up for bigger perks. Hit point -2 to get reward. You can also see other exclusive seasonal reward. Each season bring a new pack and join in complete and claim what you came for. Alright, making use of your referral code is going to get you a point or 250 added to the one that you'll be giving as a welcoming bonus. So adding up together, you're going to get about 500 points. Alright, so you can refer your friends, your loved ones, also perform some tasks in the airdrop. Alright, so get to this, I'm going to drop my referral code on the description of my videos. Alright, so you to get, and this is your first time watching my video, subscribe to the channel to get more of this video, to get more of other projects. Alright, click on claim points. Alright, to get your points. So it's going to load up this way. Alright, so you can see you can add up your accounts and start earning, but already I have account here, so it's going to be here that I want. You can add other more account to check if the points. You can see I have about, let me just go back because this is my account I connected. This is a way to get more points. When you swap $100, you get 80 points. Alright, you can see that I have 500 points there, 500 points. Then you have 86 days to complete this task. 86 days to be getting more points, adding points. Alright, so you can also hear about them on Kyoto on Twitter. Alright, talk about the project. You can also get, you're going to get reward, but once you are among the top people that are going to get a reward. Alright, you can refer your friends, earn loyal point from past trade. Alright, these are to get involved. You swap $100, you get 80 points. Then Perps trading. Once you trade for Perps, you're going to get 10 points per $100. Alright, you can refer your friends. 10 points per each 50 per 50 from friends trading. Okay, you get more points. And then your loyalty or bonus. The trade have been trade for the past year using your MetaMask to trade. You're going to get some points. Alright. So this a legitimate update. Is legit. I got this update from MetaMask. They are safe. You can go to the official page, search for MetaMask. You're going to get this particular stuff. So you can see that once you reach 1,000 points, you're going to go to frontal level as level 2. Then your linear is waiting on your points and all of that. You can see many points you're going to do, more things you're going to do. Once you reach level 7 and all of that, you can also get MetaMask card. Okay, at the end of the season. So this is how to go about it. So as you can see, the more points you do, the more tasks, the more things you're going to get. Alright, point for swapping on linear. You can click on that angle there to refer your friends. Alright, so that way to get your referral link and referral post. So guys, this is a big legitimate opportunity for you guys to make money from MetaMask. I know there's some other platform have done their own airdrop and all of that. I remember how Big Gets do their project like that. So you can do the same thing here once you have that amount to trade. And also you can refer your friends to get the points on all of that. So thanks for watching.